the easiest way to fix a leak in your bicycle tube. Anyway, this is all the tools that I need. Get this brake. It's gonna be maybe the very last thing that I do to get some weight on the leak, which I already have the leak, the glue, the paper, and a little bit more glue on top of that. It will be at the end, but that's how I do it. And you need a marker to mark your slow leak, the glue, and you need a valve pen, a scissor to cut your paper, and cut your paper as more or less possible. So that's how to fix it. I already prep a bicycle tool just for that reason. So let's go get it done. This is the bicycle tube with the leak right over here. Okay, that's the leak. Got my finger on it. All I do, get this out of my way. Mark it. This mark. That's the mark. Oh, that's the leak. So I'm about to get all the air out of it so I can get it as flat as possible. There we go. Still get more air in there, so I'm trying to get as much air possible out. Yeah, get some out. Yep. Just trying to show you how it's really easy to fix your slow leak with just glue and paper technique. So that's the leak right here. I don't know if you could see it, but that's the leak. All I gotta do, put some glue, paper and glue, and put some weight on it for about 10 minutes and you're good. All right, that's the leak. Got some glue on it. There you go. And this is the paper. I'm just about to put it in just on my glue then. Halfway done. All right. Well, that's the glue, the paper, and I'm about to put a little bit more glue on the top, and we're almost done. A little bit glue on the top. Just let it dry for about 5 minutes. Almost done. All right. Basically, you just have your some weight on the leg for about another 5 minutes. This is my weight over on the bicycle tube that has the leg. We're going to wait just about a few more minutes, a couple more minutes, then see how it looks. Maybe you're almost done. Okay, I'm thinking just about done. I'm just trying to show the easiest way to get your bicycle tube slowly fixed, and hopefully right after I pull the brake on the leg, then you should get the point. And let's see how it looks. There you go. That's even worse. Nope. Let's take note. Hopefully we got the point, but some of that paper came out, and I'm thinking I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. It's just my a video that I'm trying to see what reaction that I have on the internet. It's not gonna be look too professional, but let's see what I do. Please like, share, tell me where I was missing. Maybe I got plenty room to prove for improvement. And please, more likely, go read the description. I might have a couple of the link. You might have some interest. Peace.